Okay, so good day. I am from Exil Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive verify data from Cobel Agency in the Philippines, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a 100% willing to come here in Malaysia without any hesitation?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
No, ma'am.
Noah, are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
Yes, ma'am. I'm healthy.
Okay, if you are unwell, better stay in the Philippines. Yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
I- Is this your first time working abroad or do you have any working experience in other countries?
I'm experienced, ma'am.
You are
From
an
Kuwait.
ex-OFW. Okay. So can you
Yes.
introduce yourself?
Yes, ma'am. I'm Jocelyn Malalili. I'm 41 years old. I have one son, 21 years old. I'm a married.
Okay.
Yes.
That's all. Okay. So I need to
Yes,
know
ma'am.
some few more details from you first. When is your birthday?
My birthday is April 3, 1983.
What is your height and your weight?
My height is 5'2" and weight is 47.
47. What is your religion?
Catholic.
What is your educational background?
I'm graduate high school.
You are high school graduated. So you mentioned that you are married, right? How old is
Yes.
your husband and what is his occupation?
Yes. My husband is 40 years old and occupation my husband a tricycle driver.
Okay, who will going to take care? Okay, so your kid is already grown up, right? Already adult. So, but your husband or your family allow you to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes. Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
no problem later, ah.
No, ma'am.
Okay, so how many brother and sister do you have?
I have a one brother. I'm only two sister.
What is your rank in your family? Are you
My
the
family.
eldest, the second, the third?
I'm a young.
You are the youngest. So, what about your parents? How old is your mother and your father, and what is their occupation?
My mother is housewife. My father is farmer occupation.
Okay, so how old is your mother and your father?
My father is 61 years old. My mother is 52 years old.
Okay, so you mentioned that you already got working experience in Kuwait, right?
Yes, mom.
So, how is it? How is it being a domestic helper?
I'm okay. I'm domestic helper in Kuwait. I'm good.
So, but it is a very tough job, right?
Yes, mom.
It is very hard one.
Yes,
So
mama.
you need to be flexible, you need to be multitasking. Are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
I'm okay, mom.
Okay, so Kuwait and Malaysia is quite different. So once you come to work here, don't compare Kuwait and Malaysia, okay?
Yes, mom.
Yeah, so in your biodata, it was stated you have a working experience way back 2015 to 2017 in Kuwait for 2 years and you finished your contract.
Yes, mom.
Can you share it with me? What are your primary duties to your previous employment in Kuwait?
In Kuwait, I'm okay in Kuwait. As okay, I'm okay. My employer, his employer is good for you.
Okay, so what are your duties there? What is your job responsibilities?
Um, I'm nanny.
Nani, how old is the child that you take care?
And first baby is pagdating first baby and 2 years old.
Okay?
Young is my employer, and then
How many children you take
newborn
care? Two.
two.
2 years old and newborn.
Yes,
Okay, so how many total family members your previous employer before?
four.
Four of them. So are you alone inside the house or there is another helper?
Another helper
So two
and
of
become
you.
yes another come a newborn is I'm only nanny in newborn.
So you are focusing on taking care of children only.
Yes.
But you do house chores, cooking, laundry, and ironing?
No, only nanny.
Focus lang. Okay.
Yeah.
So, of course, ate, you need to be flexible once you come to work here. There is no
Yeah.
such a thing that you would just focus on taking care of children only. You need to do house chores at the same time once you come to work here, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So because employer here is very strict when it comes of cleanliness also and how you take care of your children. Yeah? So are you okay?
Yes, ma'am. I'm okay.
So after 2017, you have a working experience way back 2021 until recently as a factory sewer, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Until now, you're still working?
Yes, ma'am.
Until recently. So, okay, are you okay to take your children or baby while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am. And no problem
No
for me.
problem, ah. Can you take your elderly?
Yeah.
Are you sure that you can take your elderly?
Yes, ma'am. Elderly.
Okay, as long as you are willing to learn and you wanted to take care an elderly, then it's fine. Okay?
What elderly, ma'am?
Like elderly,
Someone.
like those 80 years old, 72 years old that got the sick or whatsoever sickness. Are you okay or not?
I'm not experienced now.
You don't have any experience, but are you willing?
I'm willing.
It's just a yes or no. Just tell me.
I'm not
Yes or no?
sure. No.
No, it's okay, ate. No worries. Just be honest with me, okay? Because
Okay.
I need to put it also in other agents, yeah? That you
Yeah.
are okay to accept this job scope. If you are okay, it's okay. Then if not, then it's fine also. As long as you are honest with me, okay?
Okay. I'm not experienced elderly.
It's okay, ate. So can you cook?
Yes, I'm cook.
What variety of cuisine you can prepare?
Prepare cook. Cook. My employer is
What
only
dishes? What dishes you can prepare?
prepare adobo. It's like that. Like
Adobo
this.
always is the number one. Okay, but are you willing to learn like some new recipes, like Malaysian food, Chinese foods? Are you okay to learn? Are you willing to learn?
Oh, okay, ma'am.
Okay, no problem, ah.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
What, ma'am?
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Disable?
Yes.
I'm not experienced, ma'am.
Yes or
Disable?
no?
No.
No. Okay, it's okay, ate. Just be honest. Don't hesitate. So, are you okay to take your pets?
Pets?
Pets.
Okay.
It's
No
a
problem.
cats or dogs.
Yes.
Yes, ah?
Yes.
Okay. So,
No
you were
problem.
going to sign a 2 years contract, same like what you did in Kuwait, right? You finish your contract. So,
Yes,
any
I think-
uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, please remind yourself that you cannot easily go back home. Breaching or terminating of contract, you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer, and at the same time, the agency, as nobody force you to come and work here in Malaysia. Am I right?
Yes.
Yes,
ma'am.
ah? You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
So you need to
Understand.
finish your contract, otherwise you need to pay. Always remind yourself why you wanted to come abroad, because you wanted to sustain your family's needs.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, I don't want to have such a drama later once you come to work here.
No, ma'am.
No, ah?
No drama.
No drama. Okay.
because-
So, using of mobile
I need
handphone,
money.
you are not allowed to use your phone during working time, but instead you
Yes.
can hold it during nighttime only after you finish your job for the whole day, and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work.
Mm.
Okay?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Of course, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. If you will work, employer will going to compensate your salary, which means in our contract right now, we have 1,800 ringgit, but if you will work, you could have 2,080 ringgit for every month. So are you okay with our rules and regulations?
Yes, ma'am. How many in the Philippines money, ma'am? This 20 ringgit?
Later, I will discuss it to you, okay? So we need to finish our initial interview first, ha?
Ay, okay, ma'am.
Okay, so are
Sorry.
you okay? Are you agree or you disagree?
Agree.
Agree, ah? Sure?
Yes, ma'am. I'm
No
sure.
problem, ah.
No problem because I
Okay.
need money.
Okay,
Important.
because if you disagree, better stay in the Philippines. Okay,
Mm.
so that you won't give us problem also. If you agree that it's okay, you can come. Don't demand us about all these things because in our initial interview, in the first place is you also agree with our terms and conditions. Yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So in Philippines, you can do whatever you want, but here in Malaysia, no such a thing. We need to follow the rules and regulations of the employer. We need to respect the culture. Okay? So if
Yes,
you
ma'am.
have any problem or any concerns, inform your employer because he will be the one working inside the premises for 2 years, and it's not me and it's not us, it's you.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Normally, how will you gonna fight your homesickness? Because I can see you stuck in the Philippines for quite a long time. I think it's 9 years already you've been stuck in the Philippines and you didn't
Yeah.
go out in the Philippines to work in any other countries. So, homesickness later attacked you. What will you do if you miss your family?
Um, because my son, ma'am, is my father and son separated.
You and your husband already separated,
Yeah.
but you are married.
Yeah.
So, you are now independent. You want to
Yeah.
work to earn
Yeah.
money.
Yeah, ma'am.
You come to work here and then you could save money, okay? But you need to
Yes,
finish
ma'am.
2 years contract, so no more homesickness. Yeah,
No more no more homesick.
you can handle homesick.
Yes.
Okay, yeah. So I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time. It was my pleasure meeting
Thank you
you.
to you.
But please stay connected through WhatsApp because Excel agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer. Okay?
Okay, thank you very
Thank you
much.
so much and
That's
have a good day. Bye.
bye.